Hello everyone, we got ourselves a new bike to the floor. It is a 1999 Heritage Springer Softail. These are very, 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 very hard to find. Very, very rare. This one's got some goodies on it. Hopefully I can point them out. Well, we got, of course, a Springer front end. Nice light on the front fender. And true to the era, all the tassels. Beautiful silver color. This paint is in immaculate condition. I mean, the entire bike is so clean. It only has 20,634 miles on it. It is wild. I did take a seat on this bike. That seat is amazingly comfortable. You got rear floorboards for the passenger. And of course, got some dual fishtails out back. Like I said, this bike is ridiculously clean. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Phelps Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.